All right, I have a maintenance tip for you. I don't know if it's in the book or not, but I'm going to talk about it. Like compressor was starting to make another noise, funny that you can start hearing the different noises it makes. And it sounded like it was rattling, something was loose. And so I have the cover off now because I got to do that other maintenance to take the water out of it. But there are these mounting bolts right there. There's three on this side. I don't know if you can see the one there. Then there's one back there. You can see right there. And then on this side, same spots. This one, and that one. Well, they backed out so much that they were hand loose. They were actually had a gap between it and the washer. And when I noticed it, when it was rattling, I grabbed it and it quieted it down when it was pumping up. So I checked those and they were all loose. So that'd be something to do. I didn't take them off. I wish there was some Loctite on them so to keep them from coming loose. But I would say that's another maintenance, is to tighten these up, check them every once in a while. If it starts rattling, making a funny noise, it could just be that those bolts backed off. And there's 6 of them. And these here, I had to use a special tool. Kind of one of these wrench claws. And it's a 5/8 or I think a 16 if millimeter. But this guy fits down in there like this, and you can actually turn it. Otherwise, you really can't get to those. So, Harbor Freight, go get yourself a claw, and you'll be able to tighten the inside too. You can get to all 4 of them except for this one here and that one there. I tried with the socket, it just doesn't fit, but this works great. So that's my maintenance tip to add to keeping these in healthy shape. Have a great one. Bye.